Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today we will discuss how to master the LearnDash fill in the blank question type. So in this channel I always give very good information which I accumulate in my experience over the time. So please subscribe to my channel, and now let's start my video. So if you want to move behind simple multiple choice question in the LearnDash fill in the blank question type is one of the most powerful tool in your LMS toolkit. It challenges student to recall information rather than just recognize it, which significantly improve learning question. So now first go I am going to my screen with some question. So like I am at here and I am starting just giving demo etc. Like at here I have single type questions, so like router answer, and I am going again which device is commonly used to connect to internet. So it is router. Check, it is fill in blank. So now check summary, finish. So it is 2 out of 2. Okay, now I am going back to our builder. Now I am at here I am creating new question. The primary goal tool used to navigate the web page is. So first go at here in the new question and enter title, and at here select click at here and select fill in blank, and at here you can also put some content which you want to show in the front end, and then click here to edit the answer. So at here you can see braces is to mark gap and correct answer. Okay, so like at here you can see browser is correct answer, so I am using braces and with answer. So I am putting giving some basic example, and then I will use give other example also, and then update and then publish. And okay, retake, and also explaining more thing like for if we want simple answer, then curly braces will be there, and when we want multiple answer, then curly braces is there but with square bracket. Like one like a common web browser is used today is so Chrome, Firefox, Safari, etc. And so I at here I explain you a single and multiple answer. So I am also taking example, so that we will check again we will check in the last, so that it will be good. Now adding new question. A common web browser used is, and at here and save And before put answer, always if you want to add fill in blank, then first select this. If you edit answer etc, then if you fill in the blank, then it will empty all answer. So first fill in select fill in the blank, because it change all thing when we select fill in the blank. Okay, then at here you can put answer. So I am putting answer in the square bracket. So first put square bracket, curly brace, and then square bracket. Update answer. And one more thing at here, advanced scoring difference point for each answer. Like LearnDash allow to assign a specific point value to different answers. This is perfect for rewarding students who provide more advanced or optimal answer. For example, I am using this example to protect your online account. You should use. So if anyone answer password, then they earn 2, and if student earn multi-factor authentication, then they earn 5. So I am also using this part, and then we will take quiz. Now first take question, and then at here you can select fill in blank, and also at here you should add question. Then at here you can add answer. So like I want password with 2 point and multi-factor with 5 point. Update answer. And if you are doing password etc like 2 and 5, then you should also focus for this thing, question setting, and at here different point for each answer must be enabled. If you do not enable, then it will take only like question label answer will be there. Now save. Now we will check one by one. Refresh. For distraction free, I am also removing this sidebar, and start. Now first question is as single type, so I am selecting it here. It is correct. And second is which device is commonly used to connect to the internet. It is router. And it is correct. Third is the primary tool used to navigate the web pages. So it is multiple, as we see multiple. So if we put Chrome, Firefox or Safari, then it will take, there is no issue. And if we do not provide other option, then it will give a wrong answer. Like I am using as Chrome, and it is also not case sensitive. Like if at here I use Chrome, and at here if I use uh, small c, then there is no issue, it will take as right. Oh, sorry. The primary tool used to navigate the web page is okay, it is browser, so it is giving wrong answer. Commonly web browser used is, so at here if we I put small Chrome, then not caps, it is small, then it also give correct, because because it is LearnDash is case sensitive, case insensitive. And now in the last question, to protect your online account you should use. So if I put password, or like first I am putting password, then it is correct. And quick summary, so it is you reached you have reached 5 of 9 point. Okay, and now I am checking again, and giving I am checking for multiple question answer, so that it will be good. Like I am checking only for these type of thing. 1 minute. Only for this multi answer weight scoring, not for other. So like I am skipping it, and also skipping it. Also skipping it. Also skipping it. Okay, and now next, the to protect your online account you should use. So at here I'm just giving password, correct, and check. So it give two answer only, 0.2, and I am retaking again, and checking for other part, like multi factor authentication. Like someone is advanced for their answer, then they can also put that, and I am just going for part 5 and putting multi-factor authentication and check. I think something is wrong. Okay, finish. I will take again, because I think some space etc is there. Okay, it is part, restart. Question 5, to protect your online account you should use. Right answer, and quiz summary, finish. Now I will get 5 points at here, 5 out of 9. So via this you can check. And pro tips for internet basics quizzing, like case sensitivity is there, I already explained. If someone put Google and both are correct, Text box size, you can adjust the width of input field setting to match expected length of the answer. And feedback message, you can also add feedback message at here, like at here you can put message for correct answer and message for wrong answer. So like at here you can put some message. It is correct, and it is not correct. It is depend on you. It is not correct, and click save. Retake. Start quiz 5. Now check. I did not put any answer, like it is empty, so it is showing it is not correct answer. So by this method, by this you can fix all thing, and I also make summary cheat sheet. So by a create single blank, so curly brace, and for accept multiple correct answer, and award X point for answer, etc. So via this method you understand how to master the LearnDash fill in the blank question type. So I and if you found interested, then please subscribe to my channel and please like this video. Thanks for watching.